Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of top-notch products. Today, we've got a real treat for all you kitchen enthusiasts out there. We're diving into the details of the Hisohu Range Hood 30-inch, a kitchen ventilation marvel that's making waves in the market. Stick around to find out why this is the best wall mount range hood you can get your hands on. Let's kick things off with an overview of the Hisohu Range Hood. This sleek and stylish appliance is designed to elevate your kitchen while providing powerful and efficient ventilation. Now, let's delve into some of the remarkable features that make this range hood stand out from the competition. First up, we have the Hisohu's impressive 780 CFM powerful suction. With an 1,800 revolutions per minute motor, this kitchen hood ensures rapid fume removal, making it ideal for all your cooking needs. It's like having your very own culinary wind tunnel. What sets the Hisohu apart is its innovative gesture sensor controls. Imagine adjusting the settings without touching a thing. Simply wave your hand to control the fan speed and keep your control panel clean and grease-free. It also comes with a remote control for added convenience. Noise can be a real nuisance in the kitchen, but fear not. The Hisohu Range Hood offers an ultra-quiet operation, ranging from 28 to 55 decibels. Even at its highest setting, it's quieter than your microwave, ensuring a peaceful cooking environment. Let there be light. The Hisohu features dimmable 4500K LED lights, allowing you to adjust the illumination to your preference. Need some extra brightness for those intricate recipes? This range hood has got you covered. Worried about fitting it into your kitchen? Don't be. The Hisohu comes with a 15.7-inch by 15.7-inch adjustable chimney duct, ensuring it can accommodate various ceiling heights. It's a true kitchen chameleon. Beyond functionality, the Hisohu impresses with its seamless design and brushed stainless steel plated body. It's a stylish addition to any kitchen, seamlessly blending with a variety of designs. Now, you might be wondering about the price. Well, we've got some great news for you. The Hisohu Range Hood is currently on a Black Friday deal, priced at just $295.99, down from its typical price of $369.99. That's a 20% discount you won't want to miss. So, there you have it, folks. The Hisohu Range Hood, a game changer for your kitchen. With its powerful suction, hands-free control, and sleek design, it's undoubtedly the best wall mount range hood available in the market. If you're looking to enhance your cooking experience and elevate your kitchen's aesthetics, this is the appliance you've been waiting for. That's a wrap for today's episode of Product Critique. If you found this video helpful and informative, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more in-depth product reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or would like to share your experience with the Hisohu Range Hood, leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you.